Kiitos. Kiitos. Very, very interesting presentation. Really, thanks for sharing, Tina. I really felt what Elke put into words, like this should be a process you put into action. And I like the way you framed it so much. And I'm looking to Eugenio, is there is anything in the chat? I have seen that, Elke, you have answered some of the questions in the chat about sustainability. I like that definition very much that you didn't really place a definition there, which is beautiful. We often get that question, so very interesting answer. Look at it. But is there anything from the room, Eugenio?
Yes, we have a lot of Finland lovers and also people appreciating the approach, let's say, meaningful or careful that you had during the development of this strategy. And so Beatrice is asking, how do you manage to engage so many stakeholders in the Baltic Sea initiative? And Ira is asking, what has been the most challenging part of making Helsinki Friends concept work in practice for visitors, locals, and in the city? I also would like to underline that after the presentation, we're going to have a moment together to share in breakout rooms about this presentation actually that we have. So if you have more questions, you can also keep them for later and we will have the chance to discuss it together.
Do we have time to answer the questions now?
Yeah, sure.
Of course. Please, Tina, go ahead.
There were a lot of questions. I don't know if I remember them all, but what has been most challenging about the Helsinki Friend concept? I would say it has actually been the most easiest thing to do during the year. So we have actually had volunteers working as the Helsinki Friend. We have engaged universities, students to be the Helsinki Friends. And we did the pilot during one international conference in April. And the people who were working as friends, they actually would really like to work as friends in the future as well. So it has not been the most challenging part of the year. But if I bring up some challenges, I would say if I think about the businesses we have in the network, like I said, we have all been learning. They are learning, and the most biggest challenge has been that they are maybe a bit unsure. Is this regenerative enough? Is this regenerative product? Like they might not believe that they are doing enough. And like we have been talking a lot with Elke, and we are not saying that this product is regenerative. This experience is regenerative. We can say that this experience has regenerative elements, but we are not stating that this and this is regenerative. So that has been probably the biggest challenge with the businesses.
Thank you. If we have time for one more question about Beatrice, was how did you manage to engage so many stakeholders in the Baltic Sea initiative?
Well, we actually have this within the city. We do have this like maritime Helsinki network. So we already had a network which was not about the regenerative tourism, but we were lucky to involve some of the stakeholders from the existing network for the regenerative work.
Kiitos, Tina.
Kiitos.